morning, guys. It's that time of my stay in Nigeria again when I go to Oyingbo market to buy Nigerian food ingredients that I'll travel with. My sister is not going with me today. I usually go with her, so I will be filming while she coordinates other stuff. Thumbs up for my sister, but come with me anyway. Let's see what I'll be able to show you this time that I'm shopping alone. Yeah, you want to see what it's like when I'm shopping alone. I didn't even leave early. It's 6 a.m. We usually leave at 5 a.m. Akwa gene ma ozo nyambo kita ke ma lo nyam maka na mbusta camera hote go na so aka ge bata ati chalasa hote go na hote go madam na mo mu na onye nwa we ha mba that the woman that one no the book one of this now oh customer me no say rose you know they sell you say the woman not on my video what's that day now this one you know fresh. This one no fresh like your own. That's 100 naira. Waterproof, the coffee, madam. You want waterproof? 2,000. Hey, no really dear, madam. Hey. 2002. Full paint, magic paint, 2000. So magic is how magic go? Madam, stop hanging it. Obegolu. Obegolu. Hey, no kwawele. Abune mama of me mark and mama here from there. Umo obegolu diano. Ine bego. Aname bego ada. Biko. This is na camera. Kahamalo nyo. Hey, sine ke so na biko. Imana mudema ga hajuam kedebe nwa ya no. Hajuam phone number. Anakwa me we phone number. My phone number in a phone, too much. Here, this one is achi. This one is ofo. This one is the dry achi that she ground. This one is the ofo that she ground. Everything dry. See dry opaka. See abacha. So she's putting cocoyam for me. Dry cocoyam for me. Yeah. Can I show you Omalita face? See the fine woman. Look at her. See the fine one. See this house. Once you see this house, you come down to that major street and see her shop. That's where you buy it. She even sells dry. You know, see all the dry things. This is the bus stop. Yes, so this is me, the woman selling fish in Oyingbo. One here, 450 last, carton price. 450 last. One here, 1,200 carton price. Last. 850 carton price for one. Hey, this one 800 for one. For one of these 800. 850. 8 months guarantee, no sir, no my God. It's not again. 8 months guarantee, no sir, no my God. No sir, no my God. That is the expired date. This one how much? This one how much? 4-5. For this 5 of them. This one how much? 3,000. So I bought all the usual stockfish, obaka, egusi, ogbono, dry pepper, fresh vegetables, all the bobo tibo ingredients. I did not have time to show you everything. Like I said, I went to the market literally alone. Somebody drove me, but it's not like when I go with my sister. I also went to pick up the bitter leaves washed for me by my special lady that gives them the Igbotic style. Yeah, she washes my bitter leaves Igbotically. Hey, so when I got home, I did the usual prep before I travel. Rinsed the bitter leaves, wring them very well of almost every single drop of water, and put them in the freezer. I no longer travel with dry bitter leaves. It's been like more than 5 years since I cooked with dry bitter leaves. I cut off the stalk from the Oma leaves. Yes, every little helps when it comes to baggage weight. You may think that these stalks don't weigh a lot, but that might be the difference between the 23 kg allowed and 24 kg. Yeah, if your bag weighs 24 kg, you will not be forgiven. You may be forgiven. I don't know of anybody that will forgive you 24 kg anyway, but if it is 23 point something kg, they may overlook it. But once they see 24 there, their eye know they see 24, you are going nowhere with that weight. You'll be asked to open your bag at the airport and start removing. And nothing I hate more than opening my bag at that departure hall and be rummaging. Yeah, I hate it. I don't like doing it. I also prep the vegetables the usual way. I have detailed videos of how I do this. It may slightly change from one trip to another, but yeah, generally the same most times. As always, I bought things for other people, so I'm labeling them for easy sorting when I arrive at my base. Some people often ask me why I tape the food items. That in, say, the USA, you are not allowed to tape them because they're going to tell you to cut them all open anyway. Yeah, different rules for different countries. As far as Spain is concerned, these are allowed for now. We don't know what will happen tomorrow. They do random searching of bags when you arrive. I have never been searched, and I hope they will never pick me for searching. Touch wood. I tape them so they don't move around, knocking against each other in the box. That way, these ingredients, the dry fish especially, will arrive my destination in one piece. The stockfish, which is hard, can survive it, but the other ingredients will not. The vegetables will look like they were chewed by the time I arrive. So yes, find out what the rules are for the country you are traveling to and abide by those rules. There are over 180 countries in the world with over 180 rules. Yeah. Spreading the ground egusi and the ogbono just to dry them. You know, after passing through that heavy duty grinder, they're usually hot, and if you don't air them, especially the egusi, it will go bad. The ogbono will not go bad, but it will form big lumps. I mean, I'm traveling the next day and my travel time is at most 10 hours. For some destinations, you will spend 24 hours or more traveling, including layovers. In that case, it will be good to air them with fans, under the sun, whichever is available depending on the season, till they are dry. From this point on, it became really chaotic and I did not have the chance to film anything. I packed my bags and left for the airport, and coming up, I'll share with you what I did in terms of travel protocol before I left home. You know the times we live in now. There's a lot of required paperwork when traveling across borders. And if you do not do some of them, you will not be allowed to fly. Make sure you stay tuned for that video. If you enjoyed this one, click the like button to ginger my swagger. Bye bye. See you soon.